Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable PIN on Smart Wallet app. Enabling a PIN for your Smart Wallet is a great way to secure your app and protect your assets from unauthorized access. In order to enable or turn on PIN setting for your Smart Wallet, launch open the Smart Wallet app and make sure that you're inside the home page. After you are, tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. Within the Setting menu, tap on Security. Toggle the button right next to PIN and create a new PIN code for your wallet. Type in your PIN code to set it up, confirm it by re-entering it again, and you will be able to turn on or enable PIN lock for your Smart Wallet app. Every time you log out of your wallet and open it again, you will be prompted to enter your PIN that you created. So that is how you can enable PIN on Smart Wallet app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.